So let me go around and import out an audio file right here. So I'm just going to go around and double click over here on the project assets section and go around over here. And then I'm going to go around and bring in Premiere Elements Audio right here. So let's just go around over here. So that may be right here. So Premiere Elements Audio VO is here, as you can see. If I were to go around and open it out and bring it onto the audio track right here, then you can only here see that there's one channel over here. Let me just expand this and then zoom this in right here. So you can see that there's only one channel over here. If I were to press the play button, this is a test recording. You only hear out the audio from one speaker. That is because there's only audio on one channel. So if you want to fill it out, and let's say you want to fill it out, fill out the left channel into the right channel, fill out the audio or the right channel onto the left channel, then you can utilize the filling effect as well. So for that, I'm going to go around under effects, and over here in audio, you can see that this is what you have. So there's fill left with right and fill right with left. For example, if I were to go around and take fill left with right here and apply. So you can see that this is what you have, fill left with right. Press the play button and you don't hear out anything. That is because the left channel has no audio. So let me just go around and then delete this. So what is happening is that you don't hear anything. That is because the left channel is already empty, and it is taking the left channel and copying it to the right channel, and that is why it resulted in a silence. But if I were to go around over here under effects and then utilize right with left, so fill right with left, then audio for Adobe Premiere Elements. Now what happens is that the left channel, the right channel right here will copy out the content onto the left channel as well. The right will be copied onto the left, and this is what you have right here. You can go around and bypass it as well. So for Adobe Premiere, or you can enable it again, Premiere Elements Score. So that is what you have. So that is how you can work around with filling of left and right channel with one another to get the result as you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.